Wonderful. Hey, yo, what's up, guys? I'm here gonna be just trying to fucking code all of this shit. I'm not gonna make it. Oh, that's so weird. I'm not gonna be doing any of this, actually. Let me just close off all this shit because apparently this Mac has some new feature. It's really weird. You know, it is what it is. I'm trying to advertise it on here and here, so go do it for me. If you see any of my passwords, if you see any of my emails, if you see anything, you can use it. Go for it. Kill yourself afterwards. Do it live so everyone can see it. Sweet. Oh, this is just a screenshot. I pressed the wrong button. Sorry. Great. So, I'm also gonna be eating. Do you guys want to know? I don't know. Getting thirsty. Let's move along, shall we? I was trying to do some comments here. Apparently, I'm not getting my profile or my authorship. So apparently, I feel like it's because I didn't do my schema correctly. This is the comment schema right here. And this is us trying to find the comments. Give me a second. Ah, there it is. This is handling the comment. Yeah. So we created a schema. And this is us calling the schema. If you guys want, please donate here. Donate to this wallet. Don't mind this. This is just my test. Wait a second. There you go. Oh, I don't even think that mattered. There you go. Use that thing on your phone. I'm sure you guys know what it is. My phone's broken right now. How about this one? Also send it to this one. I'm a pretty generous guy. I'll be sending it to everyone around me. Also do it to this one here. I'm not gonna be supporting all of this shit. I'm gonna be just making sure I can make it on my own, and also maybe have a team that can help me build this shit. Or honestly, I'm just gonna be sitting in this room and die doing this. Excuse my laughter. Sometimes I laugh. I'm sure we all do. I also have some intentions. That's why I laughed. Evil? Nah. Maybe. Anyways. Moving along. I hope you guys have donated already. It would really suck if like I'm just talking and you guys are just listening. But hey, that's free content for you guys, right? You guys can see I'm having some sort of issue here. Not being able to really generate my whole whatever profile. I'm over here trying to use Mongoose, but Mongoose is fucking gay. Need to fucking set up a whole new database structure in order to actually get shit to work. Fuck MySQL, that shit is like some old school trash shit. So whoever wants to like slice their fucking throat and like help me out, we can make a whole new fucking database structure schema that can maybe take over and be the next Mongoose or MySQL. But in this case, it's going to be connected with other things. Excuse the background noise. There's going to be a lot of it soon. But yeah, you guys can see there's some overflow happening over here. I'll explain more about the app in just a sec. But yeah, let's move along. Let's check this out. Apparently on our server, if anyone knows how to fucking fix this shit, please contact me somehow. I guess send a fucking note, a letter. You guys can see I'm getting my comments, but clearly I'm asking this mongoose or shit like this to populate the profile. You can see that the only time it does it is when it's null. I guess I never really did it, but I've had issues that even when it was on author mode, that shit still did not fucking work. Excuse my language. I don't really condone cursing, but everyone has a potty mouth. I gotta go brush my teeth with soap next time, I guess, because toothpaste is making me curse. You guys can clearly see I'm over here in the server right now. Oh, I'm not really getting all of my data. This user needs to update its image. I guess all of these. Alright, never mind. Let me just delete all these recent comments. Excuse my laughter. Actually, let me just delete this whole collection. Great. So, inside of our, actually, let me just get out of here. Sometimes, there we go. And also, let me get rid of this. We don't need that no more. This is basically where we are loading up our comments when the user pretty much loads. You can see that we are passing it from another application, or excuse me, another file. Right here, we're using nextjs. Very awesome, very cool. Could have fucking, nah. I wanted to use Vue, but I know nextjs is the shit. But I know Vue.js is right around the corner. You just gotta, and then Dino, can't forget about Dino. Want to make sure I wanted to fucking use that shit, because I know apparently it's somewhat faster for some fucking reason. Never got there. Kill me, please. Thanks. So everything's a fucking joke. Let me see, user profile. You guys can see we are getting that ID. I'm just trying to make sure that, there we go, we get ourselves these comments. If you guys want, I'm sure this code will be on GitHub soon enough. You guys can always help out if you guys know how to do a community thing. If you don't, I'll make videos about it. And if you guys want, like I said, here's my wallet. Thanks. Kind of trying to make some bread, if you get my gist. Or if you understand what I'm trying to say in a let me just minimize this real quick, because we're gonna be here a little bit of a long time. While I'm doing that, I'm probably just gonna try and eat. Sweet. So I'm trying to grab all these messages, and the way that we're doing it is not a good way. We should grab these messages by our user, correct? Or whoever the heck these messages are being sent to, right? So we can do like a get comments. We're basically gonna create a function right now just to get all comments for the user or by the user. I guess that's the question that everyone struggles, because no one likes to give, but everyone likes to take, or I mean have. And then a humble. Who's humble? I'm sure there are people that are humble. But moving along, and our humbleness, because we are so good. I'm just gonna make it so we're gonna be talking to our MongoDB client, yeah, or in this case, MongosDB. I don't know, that fucking dumbass fucking company or whatever needs to really shit their fucking packages, or else, I don't know, bad things can always fucking occur. So, in order for us to actually even get this comments for the user or the specific user, we're gonna need that ID. Excuse my burp. We're gonna go and do a nice GG and do, what is this, comments. And what are we gonna do? We're gonna be using a property called find by ID, I think. Oh my god, I guess not. Instead, we're gonna do this and look through our schema. We want to make sure that this is gonna be who we're gonna be looking for, or I guess, nah, I'm kidding, the profile. So what are we gonna do? Comment, and we're trying to find this by ID. We're gonna put that ID right in there, and then we should be getting that comment. But we want to be also populating that with the profile, or I guess the author in this case, so we can be able to grab the details of that author. Not only that, we want to also select just the password, I think, because our schema right here, we make the user generate a password for us. Don't worry, we decrypt that shit because safety first, you know. And then what are we gonna do? We're just gonna fucking put some lean in it, and boom, we get ourselves our comment. It's not a function, I don't know, I'm just laughing my ass off. And yeah, now with our comment, let's just console.log and see what we get. We're not gonna get anything from it. Before we actually activate that or initiate our comment, we're going to wanna make sure that anybody that gets on that fucking profile can fucking give a comment. Oh, excuse my language. Sorry. I don't know. I guess I have Tourette's or whatever the fuck. So, let me see. Excuse the background noise. I think my mom's coming. Oh, give me one moment, please.
Тобі тут не холодно?
Я відкрив вікно, бо
Ну,
мені
до
трохи
сраки тут те
зимно.
вікно, як там жарко, там.
Я зараз роблю відео. Можеш, як ти мене лишила?
Я йду спати.
I don't care. I'm so sorry for the interruption. Like I said, it's gonna be a long night. Anyways, let's continue with our trying to do comments. So we already set something up right here where we get that user ID, and we're basically I was a silly dude. I want to make sure that this will reach out to the correct user. So in this case, it's gonna be very simple for us to like do. In this case, I'm also, I don't know, I guess we can just go like that. And basically, this is gonna be our profile that we are sending a comment to. I can't even type, oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys are into coffee, but or cafes or pastries. Let me know. Seriously, I would love to know. So you can clearly see right now we are on a profile. We want to make sure that we are able to look for that form. This is our profile file. You guys can see right here we got that handler. Looks really nice, right? Not really. It's missing something. I'm sure you guys already know. It's missing this ID right here. You're right. Congratulations. Sorry guys, I like to talk to myself. I've been alone for a while, or I tend to just I choose to be alone because I am just that type of person. Because no one else understands anything, and I'm just that dumbass. Oh, excuse the background noise. We want to make sure that I'm also using TypeScript. I don't know what. Also, let me know if you guys enjoy React or TypeScript. Like I said, I'm trying to get into Vue.js. It seems to be the thing that made React cry. So, sorry for my laughter. I don't know what's wrong. I guess the past. So, we got this comment. We're putting it in here, doing that. So when we are gonna handle this comment, we are going to be able to save it into our database. But I want to make sure whenever we do this is going to automatically update our UI for the client. So I believe this revalidate path should be doing that, but we are also going to need to add excuse me, maybe I can go to the store really quick. What time is that? Dang. It's okay. Moving along, we can also just really quickly update this. So instead of console logging it, we can potentially get a. You know what? If this works, then we're gonna just keep it and leave it like that. It should work. Success. That's our status. And then I'm gonna show you guys something really cool. Maybe you guys don't know about this, but I think I figured this out. So we can just go like, if you want to reset the form without doing a lot of annoying hard work. Nah, I probably won't even do that. I wanna nah, I'll just do it for you guys. So you wanna do HTML form element. I think this is only in TypeScript as well. I'm not sure. Like I said, haven't been all the way, but we created a variable. Basically, once this gets set up, it just resets our form for us instead of having the user cry. Moving along. Excuse the background noise. Like I said, I really don't understand what's going on. It must be like a Tuesday. Anyways, I'm kidding. It's freaking Monday. Money. Sorry, I told you I can't type. So once we click send, that means that we are going to be sending this message to this user. It's gonna be right here. It's gonna refresh. We have to do a manual. It looks like we did receive we got nothing, which is great. I'm not really whatever. If we check though, let me just quickly check. I can't wait for this project to come out. It's gonna be crazy. I think I'm working on it right now. Like I said, guys, I'm kind of tipsy. I'm tired. It's been a long day too. Went to the store. But wow, looks like we did get this. But I guess it's because we're not able to load up our messages. So how do we do that? Well, if we can go through our I don't think we need this. Yeah, profile settings. Okay. If we just go here, you guys can see this is where we're getting all the comments. But these comments are specified for our single profile. And these are going to be all the comments that are associated with our user. So let me just quickly do this. So then we can get all the comments specified for our user, or we can just call this doesn't matter. I don't know. What matters? Everything. Alright, so now that we are just calling that instead, we should be able to get all of those comments. But we made, oh wait, actually we did make one comment, so let's check this out. I'm actually gonna, oops. Oh no. Oh no. Did I just expose myself? If you guys did, please like the video and subscribe. Alright, seems like it's not really giving me anything here, which is okay. Still getting no. It's crazy, man. Like, what? How? Comments? Come on, man. You guys can clearly see that we're using this comment schema. We're calling it, finding it by ID. For some reason, it's not working. Maybe we just need to go like this and just see. Get all llamas. We still get no. That's crazy. So I guess there's it's because I'm a dumb. So comment dot find. We're gonna have to find where. Okay, so we're gonna have to just find it where. We're gonna be using profile and a user ID, and boom. Now you guys can see inside of our server we get something, but we want to also populate that with, what do we want to do? The profile or the author? In this case, you guys can see it really doesn't matter because we already messed up right here the way we did our comments. Don't know if it's because of the comment from earlier, but basically you can see get all comments. Okay, so basically you guys can see inside of our handle user form on submit, that's what we're calling this function. We have the message, we're putting that user ID and this ID. I guess that is an old message, I honestly don't know why. It is what it is. We set the profile as that because that's what we're going for, and that's the author. Don't know. We can try and do another message one more time. But for a different user. Excuse my late accent, lame. But right here, we can just do another comment. Let's go. Howdy. Hi ho. Nothing. But you can clearly see for this user, apparently there's supposed to be a comment. So why is there no comment? Don't ask me. Apparently it's supposed to freaking you know, I got you. Usually it's perfect. So it's kind of difficult sometimes trying to work with it's kind of difficult to work with clients. So it's all about that server business, you know. We're just gonna be calling out. Oh man. Oh no, it's still possible. Look. the best thing about the best thing about maybe I talk too much, but the way that we can also just access the params on a server component. I kind of did this research today actually, and I kind of forgot. Yep, but I think it goes like this. I would love to
It's
go.
6 o'clock.
I would love to go. I would love to go and see how to do this. Should I show you guys? I mean, this is a podcast after all, so if you guys ever have any questions or comments, you guys can always just go into nextjs and be like, what's it called? Oh, params. Or parameter, dynamic parameter handle. Nope. That would be actually really cool. And I'm not, actually do not do that. We can get, you know what? I think it's, oh, there we go. So I kind of messed it up. It's a little bit of a doozy, but you can see it's an object that's calling and saying that this object is that object and that object that. It's like that Spider-Man thing with the pointing of the fingers, if you guys get the gist. Or the drift. The drift. Yeah, I'm sorry. Boom. Perfect. And now we're getting comments. Look at these comments. We get the comment that we say this and we say that, and if we go into our profile, oops, it's still not there. You want to know why? Because we need to go like this, and then a little, we gotta pass it. We're gonna pop drill this. Yeah, pop it. Okay. So now moving along. Where is it? I'm gonna have to set up that interface really quick right here. We won't be needing this anymore. And instead, now we're able to get all of that user comment. And we can just place it in here. And then from there, it should work. Let me see, did you mean comments? No, you mama stupid. There you go. Can't wait to update this. I was planning on working on a really, really awesome design for a code editor, but I never got to finish it. And I kind of just lost my hope for it. So, I don't know, maybe this summer, next summer, tomorrow, next year, or maybe even never. But if anything happens, I will hope to ask for your help so we can create something cool together. All here on Noob 12 Tutorial. And for some reason, I really do not understand why we're not getting these comments. Let me see. Oh, look at that. Oh, wait. I need to confirm this. We send it here. I should be getting it. This is our other. This is not what we need though. You guys can see I'm like trying to freaking organize myself. So right here, this is our profile ID, or this is the profile with the stuff. And then what we are trying to do, send it. I think it's this one. So from there, you guys can see that we're also trying to get the ID from the, we're getting the ID everywhere. I think every way possible. And I guess we can just grab that profile as well. And then, yeah, basically Gucci. We don't need this use effect. Oh, I can't believe we're cleaning up our code. Yeah, I know, right? It's fucking gay. It's crazy. We're gonna just do this. And what is this? User count. Maybe we can just call it in here too. This would be called once each time, maybe when the page refreshes. And this should work. I'll just move it down here maybe. And that would update the user stuff automatically. Handle view count. Oh, that's ironic. Or that's funny. Oh, that's even hilarious. If you guys are into videos that like people do things, let me know. I have a camera, or I can get a camera. If you guys into that, I need money. I don't even need that. Wait for it. Oh, snap. Uh-oh. I'm sorry, I'm getting some weird. I'm just thinking. Maybe I need to eat. So this comments form is actually getting an ID from our profile. But I don't feel like we need that. Handle user. Oh, we can just. Wait, what the? Gotta get that payload. Oh, I'm surprised that's working. Wait for it. Yep. But why are you still giving me no? Oh. Oh yeah, thank you. And your payload should be working. All successful user comments. Oh, what the heck? I find this shit ironic. We're able to get all of this shit. What? Okay, guys, clearly I'm not so sure why this is giving me such a hard time right now. Let me take a pause. Hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you guys did, give a like, subscribe, and I forgot. you take out your phone and go on MetaMask or your Ethernet or your crypto wallet and try to see if you guys can send me some token. Seriously, it would mean a lot. You can also try and try and test it out here. I would also really appreciate more token that's gonna be on the testnet. The what's it called? Sefolia testnet, or Growly. Oh no. Sefolia. Or if there's any other testnet that's on the Ethernet. I don't know why I keep saying Ethernet. But Sefolia is good. I'm working on that testnet right now. Would really appreciate some more ETH. And at the same time on this one as well. And I'll let you guys know how everything is gonna go. See you guys in like a couple minutes.